Today we'll show you the magic book from Ethiopia School of Tomorrow grade 2. They given us
this is from Japan. That is not from Japan.
From India.
For India.
From
For Indian.
India. Let me show you how it's moved.
You see it? Just make it, open it, and there is the first A, B, C, D.
Yeah.
This is, if you want this, but I'll read it. If you want them more, you have this. They'll give you but make it this, like this, but this, you see? It's around it. In the next one. What is this?
Spider-Man.
I can hear you. Spider-Man!
Spider-Man.
And put it like this, I think. And
Stop. You're not making them see.
Because you throw it outside.
Stop. You're not.
You throw it outside.
Mama.
You throw it. You throw it.
Yeah, okay. Don't listen to her, okay? She's bad. But. And look, this one. What is this one? Yeah? Look. It moves. The next page
is what is this?
You know, everybody.
Fly.
Shut up, they know.
You don't know this jump.
Them say this one.
What is this? You know it? Kuta.
No, beam. Kota beam.
I mean Kota beam.
Beam.
Beam. Kota beam. And then أنا كنت دكتور يا أبوتي من دلوقتي. What is this? You know it? Butterfly. Rabbit.
It's the English
Butterfly. No, that is not butterfly. This is
bird.
Rabbit.
You see rabbit?
This is what? Rabbit. That is your rabbit.
Let me show you the next page. What is this? Michael Jackson. What is this? Michael Jackson. You cannot see it, yeah? This is a pigeon.
Pigeon.
I mean ostrich. This is
Monty.
It says
Monty.
3 wise monkeys.
Yes.
1, 2. Let me show you.
Kyle.
1, 2. Let me show you. 1.
Baba,
1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Let me show you the other one. Let me show you how it moves.
ቅድም ብለተና
አንቺ ጋር በልሻለሁ ዳቦ
በወተት
ተነስራት ነው። አሁን የመቼው ነው የሚያወራው?
የቅድሙን የመቼ ነው የሚያወራው?
ትልቀጭ
ማክቻን what is this? Oh, is this butterfly? What is this?
3 wise monkeys.
This is 3 white monkey.
White not.
White is white. Monkey.
የተካከሰ አይመስልም።
Zaw.
Let me show you the last. I'm gonna show you Donny. I mean, helicopter shoe. Who are India's name is Donny. Helicopter shoe. Okay, that's it's a helicopter shoe. And I'm sure the last page. Bye. See you next time.